we are headed to go get our new closets. I wanted to take Harrison with us, but there's not going to be enough room for him. There's not going to be enough room in the car for you. I'm sorry. Oh, look at that little wiggles butt. Look at this little wiggles butt. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. There's not going to be enough room. Kiss. Thank you. Thank you. So, going to get new closets. We have to go all the way to Tampa to get them, but it's okay because it's saving us a shit ton of money. Chris is getting a broom. There's a beautiful bird stuck on our porch. All right, watch out. No, he's gotta stay in. Oh shit. Don't let the pup out.
Oh my god, he's like a hawk or something. Oh.
You may want to be careful. He may scratch your eyes out.
Okay.
No, he's got big claws.
I know, I just want to get him over there so he can get out.
Okay.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
A little more, buddy.
Good boy.
We're helping him. Nope,
Good
this
boy.
way.
Harrison, stop. Good boy.
He's pushed.
It's okay, you're almost there.
Come on, a little more.
There. Yay! Oh, yay! Happy that we helped him. Oh, good job.
Yay.
Oh, yay. Oh, he must have flown in through there, huh? Okay, so we just got to Tampa to pick up our new closets, and what should have been like probably over $1,000 closets, we're only gonna pay $323. That's including tax. What? That's like one insert. That's like what one insert cost, and we're getting 2 full closets done. Yeah, our friends are amazing. You ready? So we came to pick up the closet, and mine, the white one, they didn't have it in stock, so she had to order it, and she's having it shipped directly to our house so that we don't have to come back to Tampa to get it. This is where the closets are.
That's the setup we got.
That's gonna be my new closet.
Yeah.
So yeah, 811-207 I had to have shipped, so you need 4 baskets.
Okay, so as you can see, this one unit is normally $249 just for this one unit, not including the baskets or the extra drawers or any of that stuff. And we're getting 2 full closets for $300. That's amazing.
Sold out. Look, they're all gone right here. This here's 08. That's the grand one.
Chris said we should take a picture of this because we're not gonna know how the fuck to assemble this. Tools required. Do we have all this? Do we have like a level and all this shit?
Yep.
We got multiples of these, plus we got extra drawers, and we got extra like hanging bar things, like these things. So, oh yeah, and we got those basket things down there.
2 drawers.
Even the racks, look, that rack up there that you have 3 of that you were saying you're gonna have to cut is $69.98 for the price of that damn rack. The shorter one's $50, $49. Okay, so the problem that we're having right now is that they're completely out of what we ordered. So she says that they're unloading the truck right now, so we can either try to wait for them to finish unloading the truck, or we could drive back in 2 days because tomorrow's New Year, so Chris doesn't go back to work until Tuesday. So I don't know, like the one that she thought she was out of was the white one from my closet, but we found one like way at the top of the thing, but now the 2 we need for Chris's closet, they don't find them. They're out. We don't see them. So I don't know what's going on. She found them. She found them. They just came off the truck, brand new off the truck. And then the other one is way up there hiding, playing hide and seek. Chris, we're looking at these. All right, so maybe you can help. Because you see how the thing goes all the way to the wall? It's not gonna go all the way to the wall in my closet. We're gonna have a gap. So we're thinking to put this into the wall, yeah, and then connect it at the top here to make up the difference between the 8 inches. Because we're gonna have an 8-inch gap between that piece and the wall in our closet.
That's probably your best bet.
That thing, yeah. Alright, then do we have everything to like anchor those into the wall so that they don't come out? Okay, he's going up to get my thing. And mine is like on the very bottom right here. So he has to move all that other stuff to get to mine. I feel so bad. Thank you, Adrian. I appreciate you.
For the
Ooh, wait, don't be banging it up.
I know I'm coming.
Oh my gosh, I'm so worried all this other stuff's gonna tumble over. He did it. That's everything on the list, right? Did we double check the list?
Yep.
I have the list with me. Do we need it?
I got the, that's what you sent me, right?
Yeah, I think so. There's our new closet. So excited. Here is our receipt. She's gonna help us pack it into the car. I don't know how we're gonna fit all this into the car.
Hey, I'll make it up.
You have to lay it flat. A little bit more space in that one. Perfect. Now it's trying to get one into the trunk.
Just try to put our stuff in the back so it doesn't fly out.
In the back seat. Chris just went to wash his hands because when he was tying all the twine stuff, he got grease all over himself. So here's our receipt of stuff for the closet. Let's see, we got 1 white closet, we got 4 wire baskets, we got 2 Java closets, we got an extra Java wooden drawer, and then we got 3 expandable poles. Plus we got the anchor things, whatever they're called, and we got screws, and we got, what else did we get? We got something else. I don't know what the other thing is. Oh, and we have another white closet coming to the house that's being delivered directly to the house. So in total, that's 4 full closets. Our total, $323.04. So that's pretty fucking awesome. I was telling Chris, you know, if we ever decide to split up for any reason, he's gonna at least have a new house out of this ordeal, because I seem to know everybody. I've got like the hookup with everybody. Like, the only person that I need now, I think, is an electrician. And sadly enough, my dad's an electrician, but we don't talk. That's what I need, is an electrician friend. We got the house painted, which would have been thousands of dollars for a couple $100. And the bathroom we got done. Yeah, we're just gradually doing little by little to like upgrade the house more and more. All right, we're headed back home.
Do you want to go get delicious sandwiches?
Yeah, let's go get delicious sandwiches. I'm starving. All right, we just got back home. We have to unpack this car. Ooh, it's chilly. Woo! Are you gonna help unpack? Do you help unpack? Yeah. Okay, there's the trunk. Go for it. Hey, you're going the wrong way. Hey, you, the stuff's over here. You, go, it's over there. You gotta get it out. You gotta help Daddy carry it inside. What are you doing, silly? Did the baskets survive, or are they bent up? Oh yeah, they're good, they're good.